I need distance.
Oh my god.
I need distance.
Oh, you're too much.
I say the squirrel's stealing the bread again.
You saw a squirrel. Past tense. Saw.
Oh, come on. You're kidding me.
Not kidding. Grammar matters.
Oh my.
You can't what? Finish your sentence.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. That's your best idea.
Did you hear that? He roasted you. Oh my gosh, that's too good. Smart bird.
You're stressing me out.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too good.
You're teaching me bad habits.
What?
Bad habits.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's too good.
Hello. I'd like one large pizza, extra cheese.
Oh my god!
Mushrooms, bell peppers, no onions, please.
He's serious.
Delivery to Maple Street.
I can't breathe.
Name, Captain Beaks. Yes, card on file.
Captain B.
Legend.
Ha! What?
Legend. Legend.
You're kidding me!
Legend. Legend.
Oh man!
Legend. I know what you did. I know what you did.
Oh wow!
Pretty bird.
That's my line.
Oh, no way.
That's my line.
You kill me, little guy.
I'm right. Always right. But they're genius. That's me.
Oh no!
I dance. Guess what? You doubt. You're wrong. I'm right. Every single time. Weather, I called the rain. Snacks, I found the crackers. I'm the authority. I'm not mad. Just disappointed.
Oh no! You're too much.
I'm telling you, look at this face. Cuter than any man will you know. Speak like a polished pebble. Eyes like tiny suns. Top that.
You're so
Full of
full of
cute.
yourself.
Full of cute. Thank you. Fluffy head, rainbow wings. Come on.
I'm cuter. I have dimples.
Dimples? I have feathers and
That's suspicious.
Oh, right.
No way! He said it!
That's suspicious.
Oh, stop! Bring it in. I heard everything.
Oh my god. No way. Did you hear that? He actually said it.
That was perfect!
You little spy.
I'm crying. That's so good.
I'm crying. What? Want it? Snack now. Tasty.
Oh my gosh.
Got it. More. Pizza?
No.
Seeds. Seeds are better. Crunchy triangle. Bad for feathers. Bad.
Oh my
This is
God.
sunflower. Crunchy. Magnificent.
You're killing me.
Seeds beat cheese. Always.
Oh my God.
Watch. Crunch. Delicious. Winner.
You're unbelievable.
Kneel, subject. You stand before the Emerald Sovereign. Silence your cackle. Pay tribute with seeds and admiration.
Oh my! You're
I do
kidding
not
me.
kid. I rule.
Hey there, Clint.
My name's not Clint.
Oh no!
Morning, Karen.
Not Karen either!
Thanks
He's
for the
there.
treat, Brian.
Oh my
Bye,
gosh.
Martha. I love you, Martha.
My name's Maya.
Close enough.
This bird is impossible.
And
Whoa! Gotcha.
Frank Master
No
Bird.
way.
Unbelievable.
Great master bird.
Crying over here.
Watch out. I
He's still there. This bird is unreal. Stop it.
I can't breathe.
I'm famous now.
Oh my god!
Did you hear that?
That's amazing! Oh!
I'm crying.
Best thing ever.
I can't believe you.
Did you hear
He
that?
actually said it!
That's incredible.
Smartest bird I've ever met.
I tried to be nice.
Stop. Oh, you're too much.
This friendship is under review.
Oh, no way. That's too good. You're unbelievable.
I trusted you. Oh no! Oh fuck!
I'm blocked now.
Did it just say
I'm
that?
blocked now.
No way.
Oh, that's perfect.
Humans are so weird. You buy shoes for inside, then you take pictures of your food instead of eating it, and you clap when a machine lands you on the ground like that was its job.
Oh my god!
I'm just saying, if a toaster pops, you don't have a parade.
Knock knock!
Who's there?
Banana!
Banana who?
Banana split if you don't open up! Knock knock!
Who's there?
Orange!
Orange who?
Orange, you gonna open the door? Knock knock!
Who's there?
Lettuce!
Lettuce who?
Let us in, it's cold out here! Knock knock!
Who's there?
Babe, I'm smarter than you.
Oh my god! Are you hearing this?
That's right, way smarter.
No way!
You're so smart!
I'm smarter than you.
Stop!
Not wrong. You know it. I need peace. I need peace.
Oh, no, you didn't.
I need peace.
Oh, buddy!
Okay, buddy. Check this out. Flibble flabble, wiggity woggy, snortle pop.
That was deep.
Oh, no way!
Listen up. I'm the grown-up here. You hear this voice? That's wisdom, baby. You spill your coffee? I clean my feathers. Mature.
Oh my.
I'm responsible for this whole house. You're just the chauffeur. I'm the mature one. Facts. This is too much!
Oh my god.
This is too much!
I can't.
Too much.
This meeting is unproductive.
Quarterly numbers are up, people, and I expect bigger seats next month. Got it? Dismissed. Squawk! You're unbelievable.
I cannot process this. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I deserve better.
Oh, wow.
Who approved that?
Oh my gosh.
Who approved that? That was personal.
Oh my god!